Hello YouTube. Today I will be teaching you how to make a batch program. A batch program is pretty simple to make. First, open up Notepad and type in the following. @ thing, echo, off. You need to use that at the beginning of every batch file you use. Now before we go too much further, you need to save it with a certain ending. So, type in your program name, batch tutorial, and save it as .bat. Go to all files. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Save. And you've got your program. Now, when you open it, nothing should happen. Good. So, we're going to add some more stuff. We will add echo is if you want it to say something to the user. So, hello everyone. I'll do YouTube just because this video's going to be on YouTube. So, hello YouTube, and you can type pause. It'll give them an option that will say press any key to continue, so they'll open it. Hello YouTube, press any key to continue. This here is echo, repeats what I told it to say, and this is the pause. So, closes when you press any key. No, there's no any key on your keyboard. Okay, next. We'll erase the pause, and we'll erase this too. We'll make it look fancy by adding a title. You don't need to have an equal sign or anything. So just title Xstart Night batch program. And we'll make it look fancy by adding a colored background. So color, make sure it's OR, not OUR. And if you don't know the color codes, if you're just starting, I wouldn't expect you to. So, open up your start menu. Now, in your search bar or run, whatever, just type in CMD. Open this and type in color. Oh, I forget what it is. I will pause the video and come back when I figure it out. Okay, I'm back. I just forgot to add help at the end, so if you type color help, make sure it's 2 words, comes up with this screen, and you've got your colors there. So 0 is black, 1 is blue, 2 is green, etc. So, you go back to your notepad, type color 0A. 0 is the background color, I think, and A is the text color. I haven't done this in a while, so it might be the other way around, but you'll see by playing around with it. Yeah. So, what we're gonna do now is clear screen. Actually, we'll make a checkpoint. Now, these things are helpful if you want like different pages type thing. You'll see later. So, make sure you do colon, and then it can be anything. It doesn't matter at this point. CLS means clear screen, and then we're gonna type get it to say something. So echo Lachlan is awesome. Oh, if you want it to, here, I'll show you in a minute. So haha pause. So we'll save that, close this, open it. Lachlan is awesome, haha. If you want a space between these two lines, all you have to do is between them go echo and then put a period after it. No spaces, just a period. And then when you open it, there's a space there. Now we could do a second checkpoint called B. So we've got colon and then B. We can erase pause and we can ask them a question with set /P. It's the slash beside the shift. And now it could be anything. We'll do question equals and type in your question. So what is your name? Put a space. Actually, we'll type in an easier question. What is 1 plus 1? And put a space. So we go back down to B here. And we can type CLS. Clears the screen. Echo. You are correct. 1 plus 1 does equal 2. Pause. So, when you open it, what is 1 plus 1? 2. You are correct. 1 plus 1 does equal 2. But, if they get it wrong, we need to change that. So, we'll make what's called an if statement. If you have to do percent question, since this here has to be the same as this, just with percent signs around it. Equals, make sure you put 2 equal signs. 2. Or so used to Visual Basic. But then type go_to colon B. And we'll put a wrong checkpoint. So if they get it wrong, then it says something else. So if it's not what's in the if statement, then it'll go straight to the next one. So I'll type wrong. It can be anything. It could be like C instead. But I'm typing wrong. Clear screen. Echo. Sorry, but you were incorrect. We could make it say that 1 plus 1 does not equal whatever they wrote. So 1 plus 1 does not equal, then percent question percent pause. Actually, we'll make it go_to A and put a pause in here. Save it. What is 1 plus 1? 3. Sorry, but you were incorrect. 1 plus 1 does not equal 3. And if you press any key, then it goes back to A, just like we commanded it to. Oh, and the color's working too. 0 is black background, green is A. And that's my tutorial on making a batch file. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.